If x greater than 1, then which of the following has the least value? Okay, so let's take a quick look at this. An easy way that you can do this is to plug in a number. So when you plug in numbers, you don't want to use anything like 0 or 1 because they tend to make more than one answer choice look correct. So I recommend small integers, still using small integers like 0 and 1, but not 0 and 1. So you want to use something like 2 or 3, etc. So in this case, I'm not actually going to do that because I actually think this is fairly easy to do symbolically, but oftentimes this is a good way of making the problem look less abstract and therefore less intimidating. So here we have square root of x. Over here we have square root of 2x, which is the same thing as square root 2 times square root x. So automatically you know that that's bigger than f. Here you have square root of x times x, which is the same as saying x squared, and then you have square root of that, so you're going to get x. It's automatically bigger than square root of x. Over here, x being greater than square root of x. And then here again you have x times square root of x, so that's going to be bigger than square root of x. That can't be it. And then x times x is the same as x. Sorry about that. X squared. So that's going to be the biggest of all of them. So you know that the least value is going to be f. Now, I forgot to do my underlining there to make sure I'm answering the right question. Least value. This is a key thing here though, x greater than 1. Because if x was less than 1, then multiplying x times square root of x would actually make it the quantity smaller. So this was a key piece of information that I should have underlined at first. So make sure that you underline the key information and you use that in solving your problem, and that you come back to that and do a quick reference as a self-check just to make sure you got the right answer at the very end.